grow your collection of VST synths for just a couple of bucks, or just buy a single synth for $1. Welcome to this simple green tech video, where we look at audio recording tips, tutorials, and reviews to help you create great audio content. If that's something you're interested in, please subscribe to the channel. I'm Radio Zane, and in today's video, we're looking at two incredible VST instrument plugins that you can get for just $1 each from pluginboutique.com. I will link to them in the description. This is an affiliate link, so if you do buy something, you will be helping this channel grow. The two synths that we're looking at are very high quality plugins that will take your music creations to another level. Both of the synths are from Air Music Technology. They used to be Pro Tools exclusive synths, but now they're released to everyone, so you can use them no matter what DAW you choose. First up, we have my favorite of the two. It's Vacuum Pro. Vacuum Pro is a polyphonic analog synth with vacuum tube circuit modeling. It captures that crunchy, warm sound of the analog era. Vacuum Pro comes with over 350 presets that can give you a great starting point for creating your own sounds. Let's give a few of those presets a listen. And next up, we have another great sounding synth that I often go to. It's called Hybrid 3. Air claims that Hybrid 3 is the next generation in synthesis. This high-def virtual synthesizer combines the coveted warmth of analog synths with a full range of futuristic digital manipulation capabilities. Hybrid comes with over 1,200 inspirational presets. You'll likely find some patches that will be just what you're looking for in various styles of music. Let's have a listen to a few of those presets now. And there you have it. You can instantly upgrade your VST instrument library by adding these two synths for just $1 each. It's definitely worth the $2 for both. Let me know in the comments below if you have a favorite of the two synths. Also, feel free to link your channel or any songs you've created using either of these synths. I'd like to check them out. Please give us a subscribe if you found this video useful and would like to see more from us. For Simple Green Tech, I'm Radio Zane, and we'll talk soon.